Hey everyone, Pharaoh Silver here, and it is now time for the January 2026 Atlas Earth Progress Report. Two things before we start though. First off, you probably noticed that I have moved the progress report a little later in the month. I'm going to be moving the progress report from now on to the second Wednesday of each month rather than the first, mainly because I don't want to have to rush to get this progress report done in 2 to 3 days. What if the month starts on a Wednesday? Well, it might be a problem. What if it starts on, like, say, a Tuesday, and then I have like 1 day to get everything done? Again, I don't want to rush things. I want to make sure that I can get, I have like a good week or so before I'm able to complete a video from here on out. So this is just my way to get that done. And second, I know a lot of you remember Count Maximus, the current number 3 player on Atlas Earth, but this sent from Beer Money Insider, the T99 Sogwolf, the mayor of Topeka, Kansas, is named Count Minimus. Okay, that's pretty funny. Come join us in the Beer Money Network Discord, where we will try to convince someone to change their name to Count Medius and be a governor of a single small state, like Wyoming or Louisiana. Louisiana and Mississippi are actually surprisingly cheap for their size. Like I said, I could even be governor of one of these states had I, lived there, but the downside is I would have to live in Louisiana or Mississippi. Anyway, let's move on to the progress report, but before that, you know what to do. Alright, so moving on to the January 2026 stats. My total parcel count at the end of January 2026 was 3,915 for a gain of 134. That is divided into 60 commons for a total of 1,978. 43 rares for a total of 1,176, 21 epics for a total of 568, and 11 legendaries for a total of 194. The high legendary ratio increased my global distribution percentile to the 28th percentile now. Yeah, that's right. I'm actually getting up there pretty quickly at the moment. My Z-score is now just like negative 0.56, and I know a lot of people have been asking, what's a Z-score? And I know I had explained it because I was the one that kind of told KC Fan he should probably add these statistics onto the Atlas Earth calculator when I first made the video, but that video was at least 2 years ago at this point. So I have linked on the top right that video so you can see what Z-score is. But in a nutshell, if you don't want to watch that video, what is a Z-score? That is the number of standard deviations that you are away from the average. And that is good for statistics nerds. And for those of you that are wondering what it means in overall daily life, not much, honestly. And as far as my total earnings a month at this point, I have now crossed over $125 a month. It is now $126.16 for a gain of $4.81 a month. So that's not terrible at all. I'm doing quite well on that end. And this is how much you can earn with 3,900 parcels. Let's go to the road to break even though. So the start of the month, road to break even. I'm calling it break even again. It's $263.70 in the positive with the start of the month. I earned $125. However, end of the month, I have to spend $549 to renew the Atlas Explorer Club. So yes, I am back in the negative and I'm currently $160.30 in the hole once again. However, at the current rate that I am going, I fully expect I will be out of here by around the middle of March. I would say the first super rent boost of March, and then I will be break even permanently at that point. Now, as far as rankings are concerned, the world rankings, I went up 1 spot to 227th in the world. In the United States, I have gone up 2 spots to 187th. And in North Carolina, I remained at 5th place. Now, this is a little interesting because at the start of the year, Pull Out and Pray, who I just had passed for the number 6 spot, gained a whole lot of parcels and got his way all the way up to the top 3 spot. As you can see, I believe it's top 3 anyway. Yeah, it's top 3. I had to confirm it. I had to pause this recording and check the leaderboard, but you guys probably already see the leaderboard here. But he went all the way up to 4,226 parcels and currently has a slight lead on Lex Luthor 11 for the 3rd place spot. And I am currently fighting Lex Luthor 11 for that 4th place spot right now. And hopefully I would say within the next few months, if no one gains anything, I will find my way into the top 3 in the state leaderboard. Drift 1 Mobile, I have passed him though, and he has fallen to 6th place. Now, if you notice, in 7th right now is Glaston at 3586, and he is catching up on me a little quickly. I think part of that is because of all the mini games that he's been playing. And honestly, if it gets to a point where I can't reach 3rd place because, I'm just not able to have time to do mini games or whatnot, well, yeah, I'll probably explain that part though towards the end goals at the end of this month, all right? I'm not going to update too much on cities, mainly because I put every parcel last month into Canapolis on my secret project, and it's going to be a few months before I'm able to show any real progress on that project and show you exactly what I'm doing. And when that time comes, I will let you know. But in the meantime, just know, yeah, I'm putting everything into Canapolis right now. If I do see I get threatened in China Grove, I will probably go and put down like 20 to 30 parcels in China Grove. I don't see any threat in Landis or Enochville anytime soon, though. So, yeah, outside of that, pretty much everything is going into this project that I'm assuming is going to take me the rest of the year to get done. Now, February and April in particular are going to be slower months for me due to personal commitments, and for February just being a shorter month overall. I have a big trip coming up in April. That's going to take up roughly half the month. And February is going to be, well, I kind of already gone through some of the harder parts of this month early on. So the rest of this month, I should have a little bit of no problems, at least dealing with getting mini games done. But I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm not really big on mini games that much anymore. I have so much I got to work on, and plus you all know I'm working on that app. That's kind of my first priority, and if I feel like I need to work on that app, that takes precedence over the mini games. I know, I'm missing out on several hundred Atlas bucks if I do it that way, but whatever, but my yearly goal of 5,000 parcels is still I think it's still a good target for me. That project is still on target, so that's my plan, is to just get the 5,000 parcels and finish this big project so that I can show you all exactly what I'm doing. And I am not going to be renewing the challenges, at least the annual challenges, when that time comes in April. And part of that is because I just am not going to have time to work on the challenges. I find myself barely able to finish it as it is. So that's part of the reason why I'm not doing challenges either. So my main goal for this month is going to be try to get to 100 parcels, try to get over 4,000 parcels, and try to hang on as much as I can. But I do notice Glaston is catching up on me really quickly, and that's something I have to be on the lookout for. Anyway, that's how I did in January. You let me know how you did for January 2026 in the comment section below. This is just a brag, show and tell kind of video for all of you playing Atlas Earth. I know y'all love these this progress report, so I love to continue to do them even now. So tell me in the comment section, like this video if you want. And big thanks to my Beer Money Insiders, the T99 Sog Wolf. By the way, big thank you for that picture. Disturbed Doge, Ashley Stanfield, Kristen O'Neill, Josh42, and Board Game Sports Network. Now, I'm going to put up 2 more videos up here on the left and right, just above Board Game Sports Network, and you can go check those out, and I will see you all in the next video, all right? Sorry this one was so short. Next month, I'll probably talk about a little bit more stuff with the progress report, but the next video will be a video on Is It Worth It? Hope y'all like that series as well. I'll see you then. Bye, everyone.